Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below where you get one of these at a low cost. And see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. And we got here today. What do we got here? And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We are rolling through this month. And we have here, ooh, this is a bonus. This would be a good time to start stocking up on these, because what's going on in the world. This comes from GEEK beard trimmer, LED display, guide comb, precision blade, quiet. 1.5 hours runtime. It's a nice little portable to take on the road with you. 1 hour fast charge. Oh, that's bonus. Self-charge, self-sharpening stainless steel blades. Working time up to 90 minutes. Alright. Here we go. Alright, let's take a look at how this trimmer looks. If I can get it out. There we go. Alright, here we go. I just cut my hair, so I mean, I don't know how much I could test this on, but take a look. See how this is. Boom. Whoa. Take a look at this thing. It's like a Batman. A bat ring. On his ass. I've never seen like this before. It's trippy. Alright, put that down. And we got here a travel pouch. Alright. Oh. It's kind of like a fanny pack. Oh yeah. Yeah, see? This would be perfect. Once everything starts running again, do it on the road or start on the road to shop. Oh, maybe I can use this for a haircut. Cause I shave my head bald, so. Ooh, that's nice. Got protection cover. Heck yeah! Look at those bad boys. They got some teeth on them. Okay, a spinneroonie. Different settings all the way to 10. I keep it at 1. And I usually Mach 3 it. Whoa! It's already at 70%. Dang, it's not that bad for. It's not that loud. This is nice. Fits in my hand. Perfect. This is really cool. This would be a nice little stocking stuffer to give somebody for this upcoming holiday season. Housewarming gift. Let's see. Yeah, this is. Whoa. Yeah, I'm going to keep it at 1. Like I said, I like to keep my hair low cut. And we got the oil. We got the USB card, our charger. We got the clip. There we go. Alright. Again. Oh, sweet. Nice little brush. Clean that off. Alright, so you got everything in here. This is nice. I got the manual in the back. But we don't need to read that. USB. Should be easy. Right there, you plug it in. You can use one of those portable chargers. Also, take this on the road. Like I say, you could do some side work. Cutting here, maybe at the office. You know? Be a nice little gift to give to your boss. But I think everything's going to start getting back to normal soon. But still, you might want to grab a couple for yourself. A nice little stack of stuff for sure. For this holiday season coming up. There we go. It's a pretty long cord. And just plug it into any USB you see. And then bada boom, bada bing. This is it, guys. Yeah, it's lightweight, so definitely not heavy at all. And we see how it. Okay, could do a little sample here. Oh yeah, she cut it off. That's good. It's really good, guys. Definitely excited about this one. So definitely needed a new one also. Hair trimmer. What is this? Up. Oh. Boom. Look at that. Clean it out better also. Boom. Now this is perfect. See? On the road. Fits perfect in a tote. Make sure you put your guard on. I forgot to do it because it is kind of sharp, so be careful. You know? But it fits in here. Just put your cord. You're on the road. I've never seen a comb. I think this is a comb. It's got to be a comb. I've just never seen one like this. Or maybe it's for like a shape up. Tape up and everything. I just never seen one of these. But I'm not no barber. But like I said, definitely guys, check these out. Garu, Amazon Prime, link down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.